It was always a sales pitch, and it was always leveraging you into buying something new. We are a small town facility. We serve the county of Delta, Colorado. Healthcare has changed a lot. A small community hospital like us, it's just very hard to meet that bottom line. We don't have a lot of patient volume that can keep paying us, but yet our expenses are still here to have the service. So we have to cut somewhere. And that's what my job is to find a better deal without sacrificing the service and support that we continually need. Previous experiences were your service agreement ends on this date and it's going to cost you this much, and you have to have this service, and the only way to get out of an increase in the service agreement was to up a new lease or buy new equipment. I was shopping around and I was flirting with the idea of let's step out, let's get away from these manufacturers, let's lower the cost, because the pressure comes on me ultimately. And we had a CT scan go down 2 days after some guy from Block Imaging left me his card. And the manufacturer said, there is only one tube in the nation and this is what you're gonna pay. That guy's card was still sitting on my desk, and I called him and he said, let me see what I can do. I'll call you back within 30 minutes. And the parts guy called me, he says, we can get 3 of them to you overnight. And the cost was 20% of what the manufacturer was quoting us. Block has kind of educated us. This equipment is pretty nice equipment. A lot of it was sold. There are a lot of parts still out there, and we can keep this running for a long, long time. And there's a lot of money saved there, because lots of times we have a lease or something that ends with the service agreement, whereas now those leases stop. We own the equipment. Block was giving us information that wouldn't always benefit them so much, but just giving us honest information to make a good decision for us. And the good decision was always to go with Block. I mean, if you really dug into it and started doing the math, there's $1 million out there that's come to this facility through savings. You know, saving money doesn't always mean you're giving something up. Lots of times just stepping out there, you may get something more.